VG stock was trending a while back as global LNG prices spike following Qatar's production halt due to drone strikes and major disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz. People are quite bullish on the company's strong Q4 earnings, its strategic advantage with flexible spot market sales, and its own shipping fleet, and the recent legal victory against Shell, positioning it as a key beneficiary amid rising energy security concerns. Qatar's Ras Laffan shutdown and the Strait of Hormuz disruption creates an urgent global LNG deficit, boosting demand and spot prices for available cargoes. The Middle East conflict, including the Strait of Hormuz disruption and Qatar's LNG plant shutdown, has created a major global supply shortfall, dramatically boosting US LNG exporters. Many believe the stock remains significantly undervalued, poised for substantial long term growth driven by expansion projects and surging global LNG demand. High short interest, aggressive price dips, and alleged institutional manipulation suggest a significant short squeeze is building. Traders anticipate a massive short squeeze as the stock continues to climb amid strong bullish catalysts, potentially forcing significant short covering. Stellar earnings, record LNG shipments, and rapid expansion plans signal explosive growth and future profitability. However, the lingering legal uncertainty surrounding BP's multi-billion-dollar arbitration claim against the company is also another issue, though many dismiss its validity given contract terms. Okay, this is Monday, the 9th of March 2026, but we're still dealing with the data of Friday the 6th. Okay, so as things stand right now, the extrapolation on this 4-hour chart is saying that the stock might maintain the strength it has going all the way towards the 11th. It seems the 11th of Wednesday the 11th. Yes, Wednesday the 11th. Yeah, Wednesday the 11th. After that, we might see a contraction. After that, it might go into a consolidation. Okay, so we have a couple of projections: 11.7, 15.15, 16.92, 18.02. I have to point out here there's a pivotal downward projection. You see this thick red line here. It was initiated on the 4th of March, Wednesday the 4th of March. When it was initiated, the stock was down at 11.23 and it has surpassed it. But we also know that, I mean, we can clearly see that it has continued to retrace it. We all know that for some reason, prices, whenever the algos we have employed or we are using, whenever it projects a downward projection, it tends to happen. Um, I would say 7% or 70% of the time it tends to happen. 70%. Okay, let's just 60% of the time it tends to happen. So there's a chance that we might it might pull back to $11.67. If it pulls back and the crisis, the war is still going on, then it will definitely provide a buying opportunity. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. The stock is trending. We can't on its 4-hour chart. We don't have any extrapolations. It hasn't been. It doesn't have enough data, but the projections here are saying 12.34, 13.79, 14.68 on its daily charts. So the stock is, as things stand right now, expanding within a okay. It's actually okay. Expanding is showing a decent amount of strength within a medium-term bullish trend, but within also and also within a bullish long-term trend as well. Yeah, but technically it is still consolidating in based on its long term because it hasn't surpassed its long term trend. You want the structure to be such that the fastest is leading the second fastest. You want that structure right like that. But currently we have the underlying trend, the 200-day moving average, leading the whole pack. Yeah, leading the whole pack to the upside. So, but even at that, we can still say it is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend, but currently not trending yet. You know. Okay, so that's what's going on. Just see what you make of VG, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.